Hey guys, this is Dr. Hub. In case you haven't subscribed, please do subscribe for updates. Base of the skull fractures, and we are looking at the signs. So the important signs include the bilateral periorbital. So it's bilateral periorbital. So bilateral periorbital hematoma. So periorbital hematoma, that is bilateral, it is nothing but the raccoon eyes. So it is a raccoon eyes. Next is this presence of the battle sign. Battle sign. Battle sign means there is a bruising over the mastoid. So there is bruising. And this will be over the mastoid. Next is the presence of the CSF rhinorrhea or the otorrhea. So CSF rhinorrhea or the otorrhea. Next comes the hemotympanum. So there is hemotympanum or the bleeding of the ear or the bleed of the ear. To learn and grow daily like this, please do subscribe.